Hi guys, welcome back to channel. On this session we are going to discuss how to fill Switzerland visa application from UAE. For that first we have to reach the official site of VFS Switzerland from UAE, and you can go to take me to the website and we will reach the official website. And here we have to select apply for a visa. And here point number 1, identify visa type. And from here we have to select for the visa type. So I'm just mentioning here tourism. So here download a form. So we already later before discuss for our documents and processing for the Schengen visa. No, so in this video we are going to discuss only how to fill Schengen visa application. From here we have to select Schengen visa form. Actually from India, if you are applying for Switzerland visa, we have to fill the online application same time while booking the appointment. From UAE we don't do that. We just need to book the appointment first, later we can complete the application. It's the offline application. From here select Schengen visa application form and select application based on your preferred language, and it will be downloaded. You can see here it will be downloaded and we can easily fill it offline. And here we have to mention our personal details like surname, given name, date of birth, place of birth, same like other Schengen visa. Basic details we have to fill from here. National identification number, you can mention here Emirates ID number, and passport details. After that we will reach on address along with email ID and contact number. And point number 20, residence in a country other than country of current nationality. Here you have to mention yes, because we have a UAE residency visa, and mention your UAE residency visa number and validity. Minimum 3 month required validity while applying from UAE for the residency visa. And occupation, employer details along with the address and contact number. And purpose of your journey, you can mention here tourism, or if you are going for business meeting, you can mention business. And additional information, if you need to specify anything, you can specify over here. Point number 24. Point number 25, you have to mention your member state of first entry, and member state of first entry will be Zurich, Switzerland. First you have to mention entry city and country name, like that. And number of entry, you can mention here single entry if you are applying first time, and if you have been in Schengen before, then you can mention multiple entry for the safer side. And date of entry, arrival, and date of departure. And here you can see fingerprint collect previous for the purpose of applying visa, and you already have previously collected for fingerprint, and you have to mention yes or else keep it no. And entry permit of final country, here you can mention here your UAE residency visa detail like validity from and validity until, like that you can mention. Point number 30, you have to mention hotel details, hotel name, hotel address, and telephone number. And point number 31, if you're going for a business meeting and you have an invitation for the business meeting, then you have to mention the inviting company details, point number 31. And point number 30, you can keep same hotel. And here they are asking who is bearing the cost. You can mention here applicant, and if you have any sponsor, then you can select from here by sponsor, host or company, or refer to point number 3031. And you can specify means of support, cash and credit card. After completion, now the form is completed. You just need to mention here place of submission and date, and take the printout and do the signature. Like that we have to do. Hope you guys understand how to fill Switzerland visa from UAE visa application. For any doubt, you can put on comment. Thank you for watching. We'll see you another section. Thank you.